Hello, today is a magical colors. Let's draw boys and girls. Let's draw Sonic Hedgehog. Dr. Robotnik. To draw Dr. Robotnik, what do we need? One paper, one pencil, and a marker. And few colors if you want to color them. Okay, let's draw. To draw, we need to make a circle. Nice big round circle. Dr. Robotnik wears glasses, right? So we need to make their glasses and double line the circle. Okay, like make two circles, one big and one small inside. Now connect the glasses and a curve. Make two lines as well. Okay, now we need to connect the head. Okay, connect with the oval. Like and curve lines, okay, not oval, sorry, like curved lines here. And to make a hat, what do we need? Make a curve, go up like a 7 1, make one more 7 2, make one more big 7 3 lines for the 7, make one more and curve, okay, and then go down and make a curve and come in and connect. Now make few lines here as well. 1 2, we're going to make a 3 and 4 lines here. Okay, we're going to make a C here and a C here as well. Okay, that's easy, right? Now we need to close this with the letter U shape, okay? Close it and then do what? Make a backwards U inside, like make one more U inside and then make a mustache that goes like this, okay? And make a curve that is the mouth, okay? And then we're going to color this part for the mouth. Okay, this is round curve goes up, okay, almost till here. Now we're going to connect and make a U shape for the face, see, like this. Okay, now what do we need to do? We need to make two lines for the jacket, okay, two lines and close it like make it D, letter D, and make a backwards letter D. Make a one straight line that goes down, okay? And then what do we need? We need one more line for the collar of the neck, and this goes connect to the jacket as well. Now what do we need? We need to make one more line, little bit one, and one goes down, and make a V shape that looks like a diamond in the side, okay, like this. And then close it with two lines. Do you see that? It's a little bit tricky, but you can follow with me and color this as well. Color both the sides. Looks like a pocket of the pants. Let's make the pants. To make a pants, we need one straight line connected from both the side, left and right, okay? It's very, very easy. And we need one pointy V that goes up in the center and goes down. See how nice? This is ready. Pants are ready. And make one more line for the seam of the pants. You see this? And you can also make a shoes as well, okay? And close it. Now you can close this with a dark color or you can color as you like. See, you can make with the pencil also. You can color with a pencil too. Yeah. Now what do we need? We need two hands. Yeah. One is going downwards and one is going sideways because this hand is holding and sparkle. Let's put the thumb first inside. The thumb, okay? Then we need 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what is it holding? It's holding a sparkle that is sharp See, like a power. Ooh. And let's color this all dark to show that there is a fingers. And make 2 lines here and here. Okay? That's it. See how easy it is? Now make zigzag like a letter Z. But this time we're going to make a sideways like a sleeping Z. I'm going to show you how. Go up, go, and then go up, make a line, then make a sideways line, and then go up like a zigzag zoo, like that. Okay, very simple. And now we're going to make 1 line that is going to come out from the shoulders here, right here, like this, and goes up like a letter L backwards. Okay, see, like a sleeping letter L. This is going like this, and it turns into a rectangle shape, right? Let's do it for this also. Let's make 1 rectangle shape by connecting them like making L, and it turns into rectangle shape. Yeah. Now let's make zigzag. Make 1 line, go up and connect to the side. And then we're going to close our sleeves and put the hand. Okay, and let's put 1 thumb here as well and color. A little darker with the pencil, or you can use your beautiful colors, whatever you have, red and black. Okay, and this is all it is. All done. Let's put an ears that goes right here, and let's go right here. Okay, so 2 ears he has. That's it. And you can color whatever color you like. Okay, be creative and do your best. Bye.